Okay, so the speaking topic today is about cooking. The first question that can you cook? Yes, I can cook, and I started learning when I was quite young, helping my mother in the kitchen. Over time, I developed a real passion for it. I enjoy trying out new recipes and experimenting with different ingredients. Cooking is not just a necessity for me. It's a hobby that allows me to be creative and unwind after a busy day. I love the feeling of accomplishment that comes with preparing a delicious meal for crutch. Secondly, who usually does the cooking in your home? Well, in my home, cooking duties are shared among family members during the weekdays, and my parents usually handle most of the cooking because that they have more experienced and prepared meals quickly on the weekend. I often take a lead um, in the kitchen, trying out new recipes or preparing special dishes. We also like to cook together as a family, especially of like holidays and special occasions, which makes the experience more enjoyable and collaborative. The third question: how do people usually learn to cook in your country? Well, in my country, many people learn to cook from their family, especially from their parents and grandparents. It's quite common for children to start helping out in the kitchen from a young age, picking up basic skills and recipe along the way. Additionally, cooking classes are becoming increasingly popular both in schools and through private courses. Many people also turn to the internet, watching cooking tutorials on YouTube or following food bloggers. Cooking show on television are another source of inspiration and education for aspiring cooks. What are the advantages of being able to cook? There are numerous advantages to being able to cook. First and foremost, it allows you to have control over what you eat, which means you can make healthier choices and avoid unnecessary addictives, and preservatives often found in processed foods. Secondly, cooking at home is generally more cost effective than dining out or ordering takeout. It can save you a significant amount of money in the long run. Additionally, cooking can be a great way to bond with family and friends. Preparing and sharing a meal together creates a sense of community and can be very rewarding. Furthermore, cooking can be creative outlet. It's a way to express yourself and experiment with different flavors and techniques. Finally, being able to cook makes you more self-sufficient. You don't have to rely on others for meals, and you have handle any dietary needs for or like preference you might have.